What a way to start a video. What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we are out at a Twin Peaks meet for some dude's like 43rd birthday bash. All the muscle cars are showing up, and I guess they're getting rowdy. This dude's already getting yelled at to not do burnouts, and I guess this is gonna be an interesting one, folks. Is he mad, bro? Nope, guess not. Well, let's run around, see the beautiful Twin Peaks women and some of the beautiful cars that have pulled up to Twin Peaks this morning.
Oh my God, it's Mike.
Alright boys, we got a couple Vipers here. Pop hood. I really love how the Viper hoods open up this way. Got a big ACR Wang GT3 with the roll cage. And oh my God, who is that guy? Look at this bad boy. That sounds crazy too. That's probably take up the whole lane these days. We got an old slant nose Porsche too. That sounds pretty nuts. That don't sound stock. These shows are always like a Corvette enthusiast's dream. We got ZR1s, Z06s, everything you could imagine. Another ZR1, two more ZR1s up there. Seems like everybody here has got big money. I think we saw this guy on the road, but my goodness, is this? Oh no, it's not the Demon on God. It's just a wide body Hellcat. Cool nonetheless. Alright guys, we got a couple Shelbys, old school Shelby Mustangs. One was a drop top. This one has all carbon fiber in here. I don't think that's how they came from the factory. We got a Boss 302, another GT500, and another GT500 coming in hot. Don't just think we got muscle cars here. We got some JDM boys. Got a lineup of 3 Supras. Very cool. We got the German boys also. A couple BMWs, M5 and I think MM4 right here. That's like Trans Am County down here. Ooh wee. Nothing's ever gonna be alright. Life will never be what it was. Hands are shaking, 'cause now my future is crashing down on me. They try to kill me when I fought back. I cracked the scars with a baseball bat. But justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out. Hey, my man picked up a 599. What the heck? He's just buying out everything in the shop. That's crazy. Alright guys, let's take a look in the VIP loop. We got a Nismo R35 GTR. I don't think we've seen this one on the channel before. That carbon wing is crazy. Then we got an RCF. And up here in the shade we got a couple oranges. Got the orange ZR1 with the big wang. I just like that so much. Oh, and it looks like he's got a little NOS going on back here. Okay, that's crazy. Oh, racing seats, the whole 9 yards. I like that. And then the other orange, we got the Acura NSX, followed by another RCF, and not one, but 2 ZR1s. This is like some Dominic Toretto type stuff. Look at that blower. Oh my God. Fast and Furious. Who? Got a LS Swap RX-7. All you rotary boys, type your cringe comments in the comment section below. Got a Z06. And then we got like a Z06 trying to be a ZR1 here, but that actually looks kind of cool in my opinion. And that doesn't look like the normal red either. That is really nice. Alright, let's check out this vet. He's got all the things he's done on here. He's got a 355 Chevy small block, 600 horsepower, synchronized and dyno, GM 4-bolt main steel crank, SRP blower pistons, complete rotating blah 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 blah. It's fast. That color on that looks very good. We got the bops pulled up on us double deep for the birthday bash. They don't want us having fun swinging and banging out here in the H-Town, you know what I'm saying? We got 12 rolling out. Double deep. Shenandoah police. Don't play no games. Whoop, whoop. Look again to say hello. Hello, hello. Smash the like button. Whoa, goodness gracious, sir. The Focus STs are angry boys. Let's see if they'll send it. Oh no, are we gonna have another truck incident? That sounds nuts. That's what my G's gonna be when it has a cam. That sick G8. Look at the hood on this thing. Listen to this thing. We got some whistling going on out here. Vortex supercharged 5.0. Man, we're out here posted up on the sidewalk for you guys in the 100-degree heat. It looks like the Sens are officially back on the channel, baby. We're gonna be posted up out here trying to get some good Sens for you guys, because that is the most loved thing on this channel. So go ahead and smash the like button for me getting yet another sunburn out here, making the content for you guys, baby. I love it. Hopefully let's get some Sens. We got the chick-driven GTO. Very nice.
Photo booth here. If you're gonna come out to car meets in the hot sun, be sure to pack your sunscreen, because sunburns are not fun.
This is not a paid product placement in any way, shape, or form by Banana Sport, but it'd be cool if it was. It's a Lamamalunaka. Woohoo! Hardly ever see that color on the Hellcats. That's crazy. Leave your comments, guys. Hellcat or Camaro? Why not both? That's crazy. God, that is nuts. It's the guy with the Chucky dolls. It's Chucky and his girlfriend, yes. And also a member of the Big Wang Gang. Here comes this guy.
About the loop.
America!
And all of it.
Got the SRT10 Ram pulling up. Mad respect. Got the Mustang GT pulling out. That sounds like a jet.
Sounds like an F-35.
Oh my goodness.
I thought
okay. got this thing. He's got a Savage hat on, so I'm expecting something pretty savage. 8 out of 10. Oh my God, I see it in the distance. My long lost love, the demon on guard. The demon on guard. Oh! Them Mopar boys. Alright, now we're talking. Got some twin turb skis under the hood. Is he gonna dump it? I do quite like the sound of that. I love it. Quite the lineup coming. Oh my goodness. It's all you, baby. Mamacita. ticket. What? Are you good? Oh my God, he's hanging out the window.
Traction board. Yes, sir. Doing good, dog.
That's awesome. I mean, I guess that was worth the wait. My goodness. Whoop whoop, that's the son of the police. They want to be in the video. Yeah. Underground Racing Twin Turbo Huracan Performante, owned by the Kelly Bikes. It's me, Performante. Alright guys, and last but not least, we got the beautiful C6 Z06. Let's watch him scream bald eagles to the end of the video. What a beautiful sight and sound. As always guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys. If you did make it this far, make sure to smash that like button for all the awesome sends that are back on the channel. I'm super excited. Hopefully there'll be more of these meets to come in the future. So, as always, if you like the video, please smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.